What's happening, ladies and gents? Frankie here. I hope you're having a great day. I certainly am myself. It's currently like 5 AM in the UK. Thought I'd get up nice and early to get this video out for you. And our stock of the day today is going to be CCIV, which is Churchill Corporation. Hopefully going to be merging with Lucid if the rumor is announced one day. I'm banking on it, literally. And yeah, pretty much is this company such a low risk to a high reward where, you know, the rumor's looking very solid at the moment. Can we potentially make a boatload of money? That is what we're going to be going over in this video, and if it's pretty much worth it. And yeah, before we carry on, just got to say I'm not a financial advisor. This is a place of discussion, and if you do like the video at any point, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, make my 25 go to 26, and that will be it. Let's get into the news, shall we? So let's have a look at very quickly at this SPCX Holdings. This is like an ETF that just holds SPACs pretty much. And look at who's at the top, people. We have Churchill. So for essentially for a rumor, this company to put these at the top with like an 8.5 or whatever it is, 8.5% of their actual sort of shares allocated, and then their second coming in at 5.4 something percent. Again, it's behind me, I can't remember exactly what it is, but that shows you something. Hopefully that means that a company that is willing to put this much money into a rumor, you're hoping they have heard something that we haven't. The likelihood it is that these companies will have insider information. I saw this on Jack Spencer's video. Yeah, and I agree that they're going to have some sort of inside information before the low lifes like us, you know, who get everything second, who are always chasing these trends. You know, we never get anything first. We always have to remember that these multi-million, billion-dollar companies, these are the people that are going to get the information before us. So hopefully this is a sign indicative of that, and hopefully this is a good thing for any shareholders like us who have gone in on the rumor. So what is our risk versus reward? Our risk is we're going off of a rumor. That is simply put, we're literally putting all of our money in a rumor that, yes, it looks strong, but it hasn't been confirmed. It is a rumor still. And then what does that mean? If it is a rumor and it doesn't, you know, pay and it doesn't go through, what are we looking at? We potentially could hit down to about a $10 range. So I think whatever you're buying in at, if you bought in at the 13s like I did originally, I've actually added to my portfolio up at near the 16s and the 17s. So what are we looking at? I'm looking at potentially a 25% loss, maybe a 30% loss. Can you live with that? If it doesn't go through, can you live with a 50% loss? Can you live with that? If the odds are yes, then the upside is massive. The odds are no, maybe start thinking about reducing some shares on that bad boy. But what is the upside? So the upside is, let's look at Quantum Space. When they originally went through their merger, I think they shot up to like plus 100. I know in an ideal world, you know, CCIV is going to be like, yes, everyone, this is Lucid Motors. What happens next is, boom, the stock shoots up, goes past 100. We bank out, we sell all of our shares, and we make a boatload of money, and then we're all happy. That's probably like the high end of what could happen. Could it happen? It potentially could happen. Yeah, why not? But the likelihood is if we do get a yes, we are going to shoot past the 50. I think we'll shoot past the 50 range fairly comfortably. Then we'll be seeing who's got strong hands. Are we going to sell then? Potentially, I would rather take that sort of money near the 50 to 60 range. If we got there, I'd probably just cash out. And if we did get to 100, I'd probably kick myself after. I'd probably look at the trend lines first, the RSI, which would be through the roof at that point, and the MACD. Yeah, it's, again, with these, you're not really going to know. I mean, we can essentially look at what the current prices are with a rumor and the fluctuation, how we went to 20 plus with a rumor, which is a great sign. Imagine the actual information being confirmed. So looking at the price chart, currently we're sitting at 17.92. After hours we're up, but this has been filmed at like 5 AM UK time. It's going to be about 10 hours later before this comes out. So this price could be completely different by that time. I'm thinking this stock is going to go down until we get more news that's going to be confirmed. I do believe in the next few days we're going to be in a downwards trend until anything sort of, you know, anything good comes out. I think if they keep teasing us with news here and there, we could see this sort of 18 range stick and maybe go up. But without any news, I do believe it's going to go down. And I welcome it. I'll just buy more shares if it does go down. So again, don't take my word for it is. I'm just going by what the graph is saying. The graph is currently saying it's on a downward trend, and I happen to agree with it. And I think over the next few days we're looking at that way, unless any news comes out. But that's a risk you're going to take if you really want to wait for a few pennies. For it to go down, that's up to you. You can do what you want at the end of the day. So that's been my CCIV update. Hope you did enjoy the video. Let me know if you have any shares of CCIV, how many, at what price you got them at. Do you like the look of the company? Do you think the rumor's going to go through? Let me know in the comments section. I always respond to comments. And again, if you want to subscribe to the channel and help me out, please do. If you want to like the video, please do. If you want to dislike it, do what you want. Again, not really bothered. And yeah, thanks for joining me and watching this drivel. So I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.